My name is Luigi Gianni, and I'm the director of Water for Cambodia. I came here in 2003, so it's now almost 16 years. I was very impressed by the condition in the rural countryside. The main problem is not so much the lack of water, but lack of safe drinking water. Most of the water is contaminated mainly by E. coli and iron. They are heavily affected by waterborne diseases such as diarrhea and dysentery. The problem is they cannot get treated at a local health station, and it's very difficult for them to reach the nearest hospital.
First, we have to clean the big rock and then the small rock. When we clean the big, we put in the filter, and then we put the small rock again, and then we put the water, 20 liter, and we put the sand. And I will introducing about how to use this filter to the villager, and they can use. We do this project in Siem Reap province. We have a lot of filter, more than 20,000 filter. This work, I can have the people, they need the clean water, that I get the water filter for them, and they very happy. And I am happy too when they have clean water.
Message is anybody can give its contribution to help people that are in a disadvantaged situation. I think, in fact, slowly the situation is getting better and better, and I hope the problem will be solved in the next few years.